You know, growing up, everybody always said I had an old soul. I matured fast, light years ahead of most niggas my age. Way above average intellectually, you know? In school, I was great with numbers, man. I bet I could have been an accountant, huh? Ain't no bullshit, man. I started reading at 3. My vocabulary became impeccable. I bet I could have been an author, wrote some famous literary pieces and shit. You know, I had an incredible ability to reason. I had this way of making everybody think my way was the right way no matter what. And my mama always said I had a slick mouth. I bet I could have used that shit to be a lawyer, huh? And on top of all that, man, people just always wanted to follow me. I mean, they just gravitated toward me. I mean, I saw kids get bullied. All the bullies wanted to be cool with me. So if that kid was cool with me, guess what? He don't get bullied no more. Man, I might have could have been in politics. Maybe ain't the president, shit. It tripped me out, man, because in interviews sometimes people be asking me what I think I'd be doing if I wasn't rapping. I bet none of that shit. Let's see.
Cub, get up, fool. Shut your ass up, man.
What's up?
Hey, man, it's time, bro.
Already?
Already, man. And look, when the other folk I was telling you about.
Yeah, what about it?
Look, man, them folk back on the bullshit, bro.
Again?
Again, bro.
So what? Fuck it. What about the money play?
Hey, I got that, bro. Just trim me, bro. So you get your ass up, let it ride.
Man, I was bent.
Man, all that, man. Time to get some money now, man.
Yeah, I got some shit to do tonight. I ain't got time to lollygag with you youngsters.
Just lace your boots up, man, and let's ride, man.
Fell asleep with my boots laced, youngster. Stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. All right, Dad.
Okay.
I'm gonna go show these young whippersnappers how to do it.
Somebody got to show.
That's right. Who better but me? Bring back a stack of 20s about this tall, like.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Fuck them niggas on that bullshit.
Yeah.
We about that business.
All that.
You kill roaches with raid. You kill hater by getting paid.
All right.
Nothing better than the moolah.
Yeah. Say about that time. Lag out. It's time to get trapped back up and get shit back poppin', ho, poppin', ho. I show you suckin' nigga how I go. I show you how to move a lot of blow. Niggas say they lie, but they lie. So it's time to get trapped back up and get shit back poppin', bitch. Hey, who that say I'm not the shit? Hey, really, who you know and how to do it? Seriously, I show you how to do this shit. It's time to get them bricks out of that bag, put that scale back on that deck, sit that vision way on that stove next to that baking soda and pirate. Drop that water off of that pot, let it boil up and get high. Then whip it good with your red light, did that how you triple every brick you get, make paper off of that yayo. At Jay's spot, me bet they know. Your bitch you fuck when I say so, plus got head busters on my payroll. This bank here, homeboy, we don't play. Violate me and this'll be your day. Catch a nigga coming out of DOA, hit him with a chopper, leave him DOA. You can play with niggas, not me, okay? Them other niggas suckers, I'm a G, okay? T-I-K-I-N-G, okay? Just respect that shit and you'll be okay. Let's get this straight once and for all. I run this shit, but none of y'all. Ain't now one of y'all nigga bigger than me. Can't none of y'all take this city from me. Take years off and I'm still tight. I half-ass and they still like it. Kick trap shit when I feel like it. Dope boy know what I live like. Didn't that roll off kilos, big bank rolls on C-lows. Off OZs make zeros. Here we go. It's time to get trap back up and get shit back poppin', ho, poppin', ho. I show you suckin' nigga how I go. I show you how to move a lot of blow. Niggas say they lie, but they lie. So it's time to get trap back up and get shit back poppin', bitch. Hey, who that say I'm not the shit? Hey, really, who you know and how to do it? Seriously, I show you how to do this shit. It's time to put that work back in the stash spot. Put that rental car on that slab. Hit that highway for about 5 days, then come back and get cash. Got headquarters and whole thing. Chevrolets and them gold things. Got Rolex, got Benzes, and it's all off of that cocaine. It's cold game, but it's cool though. Work get gone and I move low. Won't sit on it, it's too low. You got 21, well here you go. I got big whips, so sick, y'all, and big sweets by 6 bras. Your shit hot, oh yeah, bro. That shit drop won't sell much. Platinum all on my wall, dawg. Crib big like a mall, dawg. I'm doing numbers like call logs. Little small money I call y'all. My house worth your whole life. Your condo's my old ice. You niggas barely in first class. I charter G4 flights. Can't tell me shit, homie. Down here I'm good as it get, homie. Ain't nobody got shit on me. I'm a little nigga, but I'm big, homie. I'm big, homie. Do big shit. No World Cup, I kick shit. Ride foreign, but don't forget that I'm back trapping. Got more free. Trap back